Hello Scrapbookers, I'm Megan and I am back today with a Scrapbooking Store Kit share with you. So I made 4 layouts, I think, with this kit, and I killed it pretty good. I'm really happy with how it went. So I will show you what I have left and then I'll show you the layouts that I made. So first up, I only have 2 full sheets of paper left. This is the 2 sheets of paper I have left. I really love both of these. This one was probably one of my favorites, but I just never really had a point where I could use it. I don't have a lot of nautical themed stories to tell because we live in Idaho. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one. Definitely I'm going to hold on to it. And this one I could just use whatever. It looks like champagne glasses, doesn't it? But I'm pretty sure it's like little rowboat oars. So those are the 2 sheets of paper I have left. I have, let's see, maybe like a 7x6 piece of paper left. This was my favorite piece of paper from the whole kit. Then I have a couple of these pieces and this one, which is the same. I have a bunch of little scraps. I could probably do a pocket page with these. And then a couple other ones. I think this was another one of my favorite papers that I really liked. Oh, here's another piece of that. And then here's a couple pieces. I'm just going to throw these 2 away because, oh no, I'm crazy. And then I have these 2 as well. So lots of scraps, 2 big pieces of paper, and yeah, that is all the paper. Then next up, I have the 12x12 sticker sheet, and I used, I'd say, about half of this. I didn't really do a lot of like 4th of July scrapbooking, and so I didn't really need all the USA themed things. And I think this one's probably going to go into a grab bag. I don't think I really will ever use this again. Then I have this sheet of stickers, and I used up maybe half, maybe a little less than half of them. Then we also had the American Crafts. These are called Celebrating Freedom stickers, and I think I used these on all 3 of the layouts that I made, and then I did 1 pocket page, and I didn't use them on the pocket page. But I'm going to put them back in this and store them away. I really liked the color of these. I thought they were really cool. And then you can also kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, but the foam underneath is like this, a royal blue color. So it's really pretty. Very America themed. Okay. Then next up is the Bow Bunny Noteworthy Ephemera Pack. So I used up quite a bit of this pack. There were some things that I don't think I'll ever really use. Those 3 things. This flower I just never used. I didn't do like an ice cream or food themed layout, so I didn't, you know, really do that or use these. The butterflies were really cute, and I did try to use those on a layout, but I ended up not. There's another flower, some bugs. watermelon. So I'm thinking these are probably going to go in a giveaway bag as well. I probably won't use them. So that's everything that I had left with the kit. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in here. I could probably keep these in my stash, but I honestly don't think I'll use it. I'm going to keep these though, and the alphas, because I love those. But everything else, I think I am just going to put in a grab bag. I like the flowers though. I'll keep the flowers. Okay, so if you are interested in becoming a Kit Club member for the Scrapbooking Store, make sure to use my link below. I have a special link specifically for me, and I do get credit for you using it, so I'd appreciate it if you do want to sign up. If you use my link, that would be awesome. Okay, so we're going to put these aside, and I will grab my layouts. Okay, so I actually did make 4 layouts and then a pocket page. So I'll show you all of the layouts first, and then I'll show you the pocket page that I made. So this was the very first layout that I made with this kit. I really loved the polka dotted background, and back in 2009, my two older boys did a play group every month, and for one of our playgroup activities we went to the fire station, our local fire station. So this is just 3 photos of us at the fire station. You can see Jonas and Brennan, my 2 boys here, and then let's see, I think Jonas is here, and then Jonas is here, and I'm not sure where Brennan is in either of these 2 photos. This might be Brennan right there, actually. That might be his head. So I just called it Fire Station Tour, and I just focused on like the stars and the blues and the reds and everything for this one. So I really like how that one turned out. This one I made for my Follow a Sketch Friday challenge that I've been doing along with my friend Sandy, who is Steak Goddess here on YouTube. And I actually picked out this sketch. So this one was really fun to make. I loved making this one. We did fireworks at home on the 4th of July in 2018. And so I thought this would be a good way to kind of document that. The sketch called for 3 photos and I used 4. Then this one is actually a photo that Mark took of Tinian and I last week, and I really love how this one turned out. I was kind of wishing that we didn't have our hands over our faces, but it was so sunny, like both of us were crying as we were looking into the sun. So this is the one where I used a lot of my florals from the ephemera pack. And this one just talks about this cool bench here, and the stars, and then this arrow kind of bring your eye to the name of the bench. It's called the Friendship Bench. I don't know if it'll focus on that. And basically this is just a layout about this special bench at Tinian's school. They had some problems with bullying when I think Tinian was in 2nd grade, and so the next school year they had this bench appear on their playground, and if anyone was feeling lonely or without friends, they could go sit on this bench and kids would come over and sit with them and be their friend. And I just thought that this was such a wonderful thing. I knew I needed to do a layout on it. And this was recently, we went and took the dogs for a walk, and so I had Tinian sit down with me and Mark took a picture of us. So this one's called Gather, Bloom, and Grow Friends. And then this layout I made actually on the Scrapbooking Store's Facebook page. I will try to leave a link below. I made this one live using a sketch that Joe made for me to use. Joe is the virtual assistant of the Scrapbooking Store's website and everything. She's amazing. I love working with her. But I thought this little pie was so cute, and this photo of Tinian matched with it. And so I totally just made that my title, As Sweet as Pie, and I love this layout. It turned out so stinking cute. Look at that chubby face. This is Tinian when he was, gosh, probably like 3 or 4 months old. He was a chunky baby. He might have actually been younger than that. And then we make it back to our fire station tour. So those are the 4 layouts that I made with the Scrapbooking Store Kit. Now I will show you the pocket page that I made. I think, did I have it like this? No, I think I did have it like this. Okay. Sometimes things get a little mixed up. Okay. So this is the pocket page that I made. And I really, really love it. I think it's super fun and just, I really love the papers and everything that came in this collection. I used some of the sticker sheet stickers. This is a sticker sheet sticker, the USA, and these little star banners are stickers. This is a sticker, sticker. All of these things are all stickers mainly except for, you know, the papers. So yeah, I feel like I used up this kit really, really well. I had a lot of fun creating with it. And yeah, I'm super excited to move on to the July kit. Keep your eyes out in the next week to see that video. And I will see you guys later. Bye!